Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And so today we will learn about right equation from given information. What is given information is, let's say, passing through this point and parallel to this line or perpendicular to this line. So before we will start to do this, I will explain to you what is parallel lines and perpendicular lines means and what types of slopes they have. So parallel lines. So first thing, what is parallel lines means? If we have any two lines, they are parallel. They will never intersect to each other. That is parallel line. So let's say we have L1 and L2. So L1 parallel to L2. This symbol is for parallel lines. Now what types of slope they have? Let me give you example. Let's say we have equation 1 is y equal to x plus 5. In second equation, we have y equal to x minus 6. So what is slope for first line? Slope of first line is coefficient of x. That is your slope. So we can say here slope is 2. And here is also slope is 2. So these two lines have same slope. That means these two lines are parallel. So when we have parallel lines, have same slope. Now you can see here, we have same slope, right? We have same slope. But look at this, we have different y-intercept. We have different y-intercept. So whenever we have slope is same and y-intercept different, those are parallel lines. If we have slope same and y-intercept same, then it will be exactly same line. All right, so we will remember this. If we have parallel lines, then they have same slope. All right, let's see perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, that means they will intersect at 90 degree. They will intersect, but there is 90-degree angle here. So if you will take x-axis, that is my x-axis, and here is y-axis, they are perpendicular because they have 90 degree. Any two lines they are intersecting at 90 degree, those are perpendicular. So here we can say slopes of perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal. All right, so what does that mean is, let's say we have y is 2x plus 3 and y is negative 1/2 x plus 5. So what is slope of first line? We have 2. And what is slope of second line? Negative 1/2. So that they are opposite. So they must have opposite sign and they must be reciprocal of each other. All right, so that means they are opposite reciprocal. So here slope is 2 and here slope is negative 1/2. Let's take second example. Let's say we have y equal negative 2/3 x plus 8. And here we have 3/2x minus 7. So what we can see here, we have slope is negative 2/3 and here is 3/2. So we have slope here is negative 2/3. What is reciprocal? Or you can say if you flip it, what you will get? 3/2. And it must be opposite sign. So one is negative, one is positive. So that means these two lines, they are perpendicular because they have opposite reciprocal slope. Y-intercept, it doesn't matter for this. It can be same or different, but they will intersect at 90 degree and their slope must be opposite reciprocal. So now let's start our concept here. Here we have we need to find equation. passing through this point and parallel to this line. Now here, whenever we need to find equation, right? Write equation, linear equation. Whenever we need to write linear equation, we have to have y equal mx plus b. So first thing, I will find this two things we need to find, slope and y-intercept. So let's see how we will find it. Would they give you here? It says parallel to this line, right? So first thing I will find slope of this line. And whatever slope of this line, it must be slope of, we need to find that line. So what is slope here? 2/5, right? You will compare with y equal mx plus b. And what is the slope of, this line is 2/5. So we can say parallel line has slope 2/5. So I will just write down 2/5 here. Now we need to find is y-intercept. So how we will find y-intercept? I have equation. I will use this same equation. I think this is easy method to do it. Few books, few instructors, they are showing you by y-intercept form, y minus y1 equal mx minus x1. That's a little longer process. I like this method. So I will say this is my x and this is y because it's passing through this point. And we have m is 2/5, right? M is 2/5. So I will just plug in these 3 points. Y is 0, m is 2/5, x is 5, and b. So I can just reduce this 5 and 5. So now we have 0 equal to plus b subtract 2. So b is -2 and m is 2/5. So I will just plug in this equation, -2. So that is my equation, y equal 2/5 x minus 2. Now it says parallel to. So we will check it looks appropriate. We knew parallel line have same slope, right? So I will check what I found, 2/5 x minus 2. And what is given line, 2/5 x. They must have same slope because they are parallel lines. All right, let's see next one. All right, so first thing, we need to write equation. So first thing I will think about y equal mx plus b, right? I need to find slope and I need to find y-intercept. So what information we have, it says passing through this point. So that is my x and that is y. It says perpendicular to this line. So what we knew about perpendicular line have slope. Opposite reciprocal. So what is slope of this line if you will compare with mx plus b, what is your m is? -4/3. So slope of perpendicular line is opposite reciprocal. So what it could be? First thing, we have opposite reciprocal, so it must be positive. And if I will write down reciprocal of this fraction, it will become 3/4. So we found m is 3/4. So I will just plug in here, 3/4. Now we need to find b value. So we can say m is 3/4. And we have point here to -8, which is x and y. So in this equation, we have 4 variables, right? We have 4 variables. You can just plug in this 3 variable value. So let's see here. We have 4 variables, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 3 variable value here. Look at this. We will just plug in so we can solve for b. So now we have y is -8, m is 3/4, x is 2, and b we need to find. So here we can see we have fraction multiplication, so you can write 1 under, and you can reduce this. So you have 1 here and 2 here. So now we have negative 8 equal 3 over 2 plus b. So we can subtract 3 over 2. So we have negative 8. You can write one side, negative 8 minus 3 over 2. You can write 1 under. We have common denominator is 2, so you multiply 2 over 2. So negative 16 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Both have negative sign, so it will becomes negative 19 over 2. So we have negative 19 over 2. We don't need to convert in decimal, we will keep in same form, equal negative 19. So we will just plug in this value, this two value. We'll plug in right here, x minus 19 over 2. So that is y equals. So that is equation. So now you can check, you can compare this to equation. It looks appropriate. It is perpendicular, so if you check slope of these 2 points, 2 lines must be opposite reciprocal. Look at this. They are opposite reciprocal. So we can see here, these 2 lines, they are perpendicular. Let's see, next one. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Try to do more practice. I will post on a classroom, Google Class. And I hope this video will help you to understand how we will find equation. Anytime if you need to write equation from given information, only 2 things you need to find, slope and y-intercept. And then you just plug in y equal mx plus b. I hope this help you get better understanding about how to write equation from given information. If you like, please subscribe my channel and please thumbs up, like it, and write in a comment if you have any questions you like or you not. Have a good one.